Hi, today I've ordered my iPad Pro 4th generation and I'll show you how to activate Hey Siri feature on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then scroll down to the Siri and search. After that you'll see here listen for Hey Siri switcher. Just click here once and now we should set up the Hey Siri option. Just click here continue and say Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri, play some music. Once again. Hey Siri, play some music. Now just click here to done, and when we'll say Hey Siri, so we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.